Nice Mahara on here. Oh, my bad.
Did you put pinch weight on?
No.
Where are you hooking up?
Through the neck, throat. Oh my God, he's freaking out. There he is.
Yeah, bro, you just need one that freaked out.
They just need to go down. It's another decent one. That was sick. I got that eat. Oh, that's a nice one. He's fat. There we go. Double up. It's a nice fish. Against the current. Oh, that's a good one. Good. Oh, pulled. Fuck, bro. Oh, about to get piped. There's one. Oh. God, he got smacked. About to get hit. About to get hit. Oh, come on. There's one. Oh, that's a nice fish. Not huge. Decent. So instant. Yeah. Come on. Alright, got a nice Mahara going out. See how quick this takes. And oh, he's running. About to get smacked. I don't want to go down now. There's the fish. Oh shit. Nice snook on. Every bait out here. That's a decent one. Not bad. Set. Double up. He could be swimming at you. Oh, he got your bait, I think, maybe. It's every cast, bro. Crazy. Little male. No.
Have you been getting a lot?
Oh yeah, every cast.
Really?
Yeah.
Any nice ones again?
No, a lot of small. Come on, buddy.
Grammy told us to go in.
She did?
Yeah.
There she goes. There he goes. Ew! Oh, he's freaking out. Come on, I want another snapper. Oh, there's just a nice
hook
snapper.
bent.
Damn.
I bet it was on that snook.
Probably.
Pulling it up on the rock, probably bent it. Holy shit.
Are you already on?
Oh
Oh.
my god.
You got... The fuck?
Oh my
It's a nice snook. Big snook. Big snook, dude. I saw him come up. I just got ate too. Oh,
GoPro on.
it's on. Oh, that's a good one.
Bro, I have a bent hook.
Dude, that's a... You have a stud on.
I have a bent hook. Holy
Oh, dude, that's a big one.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. This is insane. I got a slot. You got a fucking... Oh my god. Go, go. You gotta follow him. You gotta follow him. Oh, I can't eat. Oh my god, this is dangerous. This is so dangerous. I'm just slack right now. Dude, that's a stud. I broke.